Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm thrilled to have you here for another knowledge sharing session on blast furnace burden uses. Today's topic is crucial one. It is all about making the right choice between quartz and BHQ as a flux material. Our aim is to provide clear differentiator to operator where he can make informed decisions. So let's dive right in. Here, where we break down the key distinctions between banded hematite quartzite and quartzite. BHQ, with its banded appearance, it is a blend of hematite and quartzite found in sedimentary rocks. On the other hand, quartzite, primarily composed of quartz, is a metamorphic rock commonly used in construction due to its hardness. Now let's talk about their impact on slag chemistry. Now when it comes to the slag chemistry, BHQ brings a higher silica content, resulting in moderately viscous slag. Quartzite, however, takes it up a notch with a very high silica content, leading to a highly viscous and refractory slag. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing furnace efficiency. So let's consider these factors when choosing between BHQ and quartzite for blast furnace burden. Now let's delve deeper into impact of BHQ and quartzite on slag chemistry and material property. One key factor is difference in softening and melting properties between quartz and hematite. BHQ, with its hematite component, exhibit different softening and melting characteristics compared to quartzite. The variation in properties translate to difference in fines generation during handling. BHQ, with its distinct softening behavior, may contribute to fines generation during the handling process. In contrast, quartzite, with its unique melting properties, also present consideration for fines generation. Understanding these nuances is vital for optimizing blast furnace operations. The difference in material properties influences not only slag chemistry but also the handling dynamics in terms of fines generation. Operators need to factor in these aspects when making decisions regarding the choice between BHQ and quartzite for blast furnace burden. In summary, the choice goes beyond slag chemistry. It accents to how these materials behave during handling, affecting fines generation and overall operational efficiency. Thanks for joining us on Future Ferrous. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.